It is not so common to find torrential rains in October, but this is the case in 2020. Not only are we confronted with a deadly coronavirus disease, but the weather pattern, climate change, is also causing havoc. And in October, we have one of our most torrential rains, and has caused some havoc in some parts of the city, Accra. As you can see, most places are flooded, and Accra, which is a flood-prone area, has not been spared. The Odo has been desilted, but not as much as would allow water to flow freely. And one significant and appalling sight that we just chanced upon is the debris, plastic waste, choking water courses and drainages. This is an example. This is the Odo River and Drain, and this is what you can see. This is just under the bridge at Accra, just about to fly over to Graphic, and this is what you see. It's all over. The aftermath of the 10-10-2020 rains.